What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on Corgi AI, and as you guys can see it has literally just hit a new all-time high. So we're going to be looking at what is next for this crypto. As you guys can see, over the last 24 hours it has pumped up over 20% and currently valued at 0.001735 cents, and over the last week itself it has gone up a massive 150%. And obviously before that it did take a little bit of a dip before it started pumping again on the 15th of December, which was about 5 days ago, and since then it has been more or less pumping quite a bit. So we're going to be looking at, for the rest of the month, what can we expect? Is it likely to keep pumping? Is it going to crash back down? And going into 2024, is Corgi AI a good investment, and if so, when is the best time to buy it? Because as you guys can see right now is at its highest it's ever been at. So can it be a risky time to invest, or if you're on a profit, is it time to sell it and take out your profits? So we are going to cover both short-term and long-term traders, as well as look at its buyers and sellers point of view. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart, and we are also going to get out the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis later on in the video to see what we can expect. But for now I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator giving us the average value of Corgi AI, which is here in purple. However, the crypto is actually trading at a much higher value here in green, meaning it's performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we are looking quite bullish guys. We've got both the blue and the orange line heading upwards towards the positive direction, meaning more gains in value are expected over the next 12 to 14 hours. So essentially by midday tomorrow to tomorrow afternoon, Corgi AI should be trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. And the fact that it's been more or less consistently hitting green candles is absolutely crazy, and it is likely to carry on that way as well. Again, we are going to see red in between, red candles, but again most of them are going to be green, meaning an overall increase in value is what is expected from Corgi AI over the next 12 to 14 hours, potentially heading over 0.00185 cents is what I'm expecting. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? Again guys, we still got the blue and the orange line heading towards the positive direction, looking quite bullish, meaning more gains in value are expected from Corgi AI over the next 7 to 8 days. So essentially by mid next week, Corgi AI should have gone past the 0.002 cents target, which is a milestone for this crypto because it has not hit that, and if it does, it is likely to pump up higher. But then that also means that it is overvalued guys, because it is going to be way above its average value, and it would have done about over 200% increase in a space of about 10 days. So yes, it could go into that section where it's overvalued, meaning a potential price correction could take place towards the end of the year or early next year as well. So let's move on to the daily chart and find out what we can expect going into 2024. So at this point, we still got the blue and the orange line heading upwards towards the bullish direction. However, it is looking quite steep guys, meaning this is not realistic, and I understand why it's looking so steep is because of the major pump that's taken place over the last 5 days. It's made the graph think that it's going to keep pumping and so on. However, when the initial pump took place back in November guys, this was a major pump. I did let you guys know do expect a price correction to take place, and that is exactly what's happened. And after that, right now it is pumping again, and I'm again telling you guys, do expect a price correction from Corgiai towards the end of the year and early next year as well. So it is likely to go for an overall drop in value over the next 2 to 3 weeks. So essentially over the next month or so, within the next month, we should see quite of a drop from Corgiai, dropping down to where it dropped down before or just below that price range is what I'm expecting at the moment. However, if I'm expecting it closer to what I'm saying now, I will of course keep you guys updated as much as I can. So if you guys want to keep in the loop on my predictions and my takes on this crypto, make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So far, well, not so good for the price correction wise, but other than that, it is looking quite good over the next couple of days and hours as well. But I would be mindful when investing into the crypto, because it is acting a little bit too crazy. As you guys can see, pumps, drops, pumps, and then another drop. So it's not really a sustainable project. But again, if you really want to invest into it, then that's entirely up to you. But as I mentioned in my previous updates, this is not a crypto that I would be investing into. So bring on the Fibonacci scale. We are, as you guys can see, in the top tier level here, and what I'm expecting in the price correction is for it to drop down to this resistance level here. As you guys can see, between the green and the dark green line zone, we see a line that is the resistance target where I'm expecting Corgiai to be dropping down to, and potentially dropping down into the green zone by January is what I'm expecting, and then potentially gaining back up. But of course, within that time, I will keep you guys updated on Corgiai many times on a regular basis. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up about 100% in the last 24 hours, making it $1.8 million, which is again a huge increase in trading. It's getting a lot of attention right now. It is one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours and the last week as well. It's maintained its pumps and green candles. So yes, it has been performing very well and has gained a lot of traction in the crypto community, where a lot of people are trading the crypto from both buyers and sellers point of view. But yeah, this is my take on this crypto, guys. Let me know in the comment section down below, what are you guys expecting from Corgiai in 2024? What is the highest figure this crypto can hit? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash the subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.